Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert JPG image to a vector in Illustrator. So the first step you need to do is to open Illustrator. Click on open. So I'm going to convert this image. So first let me make it smaller so that it will be fit onto the size. So now once added, you simply need to go onto the Windows, and here you need to find the option image trace. Click on that. From preset, you simply need to select high fidelity photo, and it will take few seconds to. First you need to click on high fidelity, and here you need to select the colors as well. Wait for few seconds here. So I want more colors here. Okay, then you need to click on expand and select this image and click on ungroup, and now you can see that you are able to modify as you want to do. Here you can see each point of the path that you can modify. So this is a process how you can convert JPG image to a vector in Illustrator. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.